If your iPhone is running out of storage, you might soon get alerts like this saying that you cannot download files, install apps, take photos, or record videos, etc. In some cases, we might find that the other storage is full. So, how can we free up more space on our devices? In this video, we'll introduce the 4 most effective methods to solve this issue. Let's get started. Fix 1. Backup via iCloud. Quite often, one of the main reasons for insufficient iPhone storage is that the photo library takes up too much space, and iCloud can help you solve this problem effectively. First, go to Settings and tap on iCloud. After selecting iCloud Photos, choose the Optimize iPhone Storage option. This will significantly reduce the storage space occupied by the same photos and videos. If you don't have enough space on iCloud either, you can upgrade your storage plan, delete backups you no longer need in backups, or remove data from apps you don't use frequently. Fix 2. Delete unused apps. If you have apps installed that you don't use, it's recommended to get rid of them to free up storage space on your device. Open Settings on your iPhone, then tap on General. Next, scroll down to find Storage and iCloud Usage and tap on Manage Storage. You'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device, along with the storage space they use. You can uninstall unused apps here. Rest assured, this won't delete app data. Additionally, you can offload apps manually or delete them directly if you find that more convenient. Fix 3. Clear cache files in Safari. If the system or other storage is expanding, you can head to Settings and tap on Safari to open the Safari browser settings. Tap on the option that says Clear History and Website Data to clear Safari cache files. Fix 4. Free iPhone storage in simple clicks. If none of the methods mentioned above solves your problem, then you might want to try an iOS system repair tool. Among many similar tools, AnyFix iOS System Recovery is the one we'd like to recommend. Its system repair feature offers workable solutions to over 50 iPhone system issues, including full iPhone storage, with no technical expertise required. Note that if you choose to reset your iPhone, all data and settings will be erased. Please back up your device in advance to avoid data loss. To use it, simply download and run the AnyFix utility on your PC or Mac computer and connect your iPhone to it via a USB or Type-C cable. Then, in the pop-up dialog window, select the Reset Device and Hard Reset options. Next, click the Download Firmware button. Please note that you need to be connected to a stable network during the entire process. After the firmware download is completed, click on the Start Reset Device option and wait patiently until the whole process is finished. When the utility shows the Reset Completed screen, your iPhone will have plenty of free storage space. Don't forget to restore your data via iCloud. Hope you can solve the issue by following the methods provided in this video. If you like it, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment down below. See you next time.